Oh, I fell hard. Like, out of a plane without a parachute right in your dumb freaking face kind of hard. Behind every successful man, there's a great broad. Oh, that was you.
Oh, damn it. Sit the hell down.
What?
I said, sit your skinny butt down, you dumb broad.
Okay.
You broke my freaking legs!
Oh, no. Well, you dumb. I have a PhD megaformer.
Family business.
Damn family. All due respect, but damn that. Family's a freaking illusion. You know my family gave me? Nothing. Gin and tonics at 5. I'll have the duck. Blah, blah, blah. Fake. Freaking freaks.
And no one gives two figs. We are beyond that.
Get out of here! You two go! You freaking sage stinking my place out. Buzz off!
There she is.
She's a child!
She's just a kid.
She's what?
We have Harley Quinn downstairs as requested.
Buzz off! Get out! Freaking out! Damn, these are my things! This diamond is my things!
Yes.
My things! Damn it! Damn! I don't ask for much, do I?
No.
Why is this happening to me? Why?